Yummy, 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 super healthy. Okay, come on. Fucking wait. It was a long night with the dog. So I'm trying something new. A little vlog series where I take you through my actual day. Work stuff, hanging out with Angus, going for walks, maybe a little quick grocery run. And coming home at night, cooking a meal for the family, filming a video. You know, nothing fancy, just, you know, behind the scenes, real life stuff. Anyhow, let's get into it. Episode 1. I finally get to sit out here again. It was a good winter. It was a long winter. But here comes summer, baby. Oh, all right. Let's get to work. That dog. Up 3 times last night, including a seizure.
How have you guys all been?
Quite good. You have like a sort of a faux user set up as an integration user? Okay.
Yeah, I think that'd be the safer approach.
That sounds fine. So my very cool day job is director of digital strategy for a big company out of Wisconsin. I love it. I love this team, and it's just part of my larger life as a content creator. And so today we're just going to go whip around the corner to P.A.T, which is this cool Korean grocery store, and we're making Japanese Oden tonight. So I need some chicken carcasses, and pig's feet and ginger, fish cakes, and a bunch of ingredients, which I'll share with you later. So after a quick stop here, we're going to go take my dog to the park because, you know, he's old and has cancer, and we're going to take care of him. The vet called me yesterday and was sort of like, is he still alive? And I'm like, fuck, yeah, he is. He sleeps all day and he's kind of up all night. Like, I haven't properly slept in 2 months. Literally, 7 weeks. And, like, literally every single night for 7 weeks, he has been up. At least once. Typically 2 to 3 times. 1 o'clock, 2:30, 4, 5. So I finally just kind of get into a groove of sleeping from about 5:30 till about 8:30, and then I race to my first meeting. So if anyone watching this has been in a meeting with me, I'm always in my pajama pants, snarfing back a full bottle of coffee. Anyhow, he's still kicking. I can't believe it. This tenacity and the stamina of this little dog is just wild. So, like every day, we get in the car at around, no, by all means, you go. We get in the car at around, 3 or 4 if I'm lucky. Today was about 5:30, it's a long day. And we go for a drive. Typically the window's open. You can smell his favorite park. And when he perks his head up, I know that's the one he wants. We get out. We drive around to a bunch of parks. And when he starts to get alert around the one he wants to get out at, I pull over and we come out for a brisk 10-minute walk, maybe, and that's it. All right, Winston Churchill. See you there. We're here, buddy. Favorite park in the world. And this is what we do. Come on, handsome, let's go. We used to come up here and it would be hours. He would walk around this park twice if I'd let him. And it's a big lap. This is a huge, huge park. Now, not so much. He will walk around this planter like 20 times. Because that's apparently the thing to do. You ready to go? Okay, come on. Let's go home and make some soup. Of course, after every walk, just goon out on treats. Come on, you gotta go. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Let's go. This is, of course, where this guy's got to run over to this corner every time to go and see if any squirrels from the giving tree have left him a pork chop bone or a slice of pizza. And very often, that answer is yes. Come on, let's go, man. This is wild. It is super foggy and super rainy. So we're gonna close this door before we get all soaking wet. I need to get some Guinness glasses so I can prove that I could probably split the G every time. It looks about right. Let's get that heating up. So we're just gonna get some chicken carcasses and pig's feet in there. Okay, so we're gonna make some Oden. We're gonna need some konyaku. What do you say? Yeah, konyaku. Some dashi. Some daikon. We got some frozen fish balls. I'm actually gonna throw in some non-traditional stuff. Just some I've got squid nuggets, a bunch of like fish cakes. But I love ginger, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger. Some fish balls as well. For someone in the house who doesn't like mushrooms, so no mushrooms, but I'm gonna just saute some on the side, some king mushrooms. Oh yeah, and I've got some soy eggs in there too as well. What are we gonna do? We're gonna cut this in half like this. We're just gonna cut these into little triangles. So let's cut some daikon. Just gonna cut it into quarters. And these nice little pieces like that. So the full recipe is below, but you want to add in a whole pile of chicken stock, ginger. We're going to add in some Shaoxing wine, some mirin, some Japanese shoyu, whatever light soy sauce you have, a couple of big teaspoons of dashi. Then you throw all your other ingredients back in. There goes the daikon. And I just did 1 container each of the frozen fish cakes and fish balls that I got. I also had some of this, the fake crab, so screw it, that goes in there too. And you just let this simmer for like a half an hour and it's done. Does not stop raining. Summer's coming, I can't wait. I love this backyard in the summer. It's just so cool, it's so green. I grow my veggies. The raccoons, the squirrels eat them. Tons of herbs end up behind me here. That big movie screen goes up. Oh my God, I love it. I have a tendency to party a little bit. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Not much. Just for garnish, let's do some scallions, clean these up a bit. Just a little bit for garnish right at the end. That's it. So that's pretty much it. Daikon, delicious broth, little fish cakes. Yummy, 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 super healthy. See? Fish balls. Nice. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.